In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a user in Google Workspace. If you've ever found yourself needing to manage your Google Workspace users more effectively, especially when dealing with departures or restructuring, understanding how to properly handle their account data is crucial. Although Google Workspace doesn't offer a straightforward archive option for user accounts, there's still a way to ensure you can access the necessary data temporarily before it's permanently deleted. This method can be a lifesaver for maintaining order and accessibility in your workspace. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll begin by navigating to your Google Workspace dashboard. Once there, you'll want to locate the directory section on your dashboard sidebar. This is your go-to spot for managing your users, so go ahead and click on Directory and then select Users. This will take you to a complete list of all the current users within your organization. These users might include anyone with a registered account within your company's Google Workspace environment. With the users list in front of you, you'll notice that by hovering your cursor over any user's name, a set of more options will appear. This is a great feature, as it allows you quick access to several management actions without the need for a deep dive into individual settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options because this will be where you manage settings related to these accounts. Now, here's where things get interesting. You'll soon realize that despite looking through the options available, there isn't a straightforward archive feature in Google Workspace for individual user accounts. But don't worry, there is a workaround that can help achieve the same effect. What you can do is delete the user from the list. I know deleting might sound a bit drastic, but let me explain why it's a useful step. When you delete a user, their account is not immediately erased from the system. Instead, it gets moved to a recently deleted section. This means their data will linger in a holding area for a few days, giving you a window of opportunity to access the necessary information if needed before it is permanently deleted. This feature acts much like a safety net for situations where you might need last-minute access to old user data without keeping their account active in your workspace. By understanding this process, you can efficiently manage user accounts in Google Workspace, even without an explicit archive feature. So now you know how to handle those accounts that need to be phased out but still remain accessible for a short time. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your Google Workspace more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful tips.